If the flip smartphone was just a far-reaching dream due to the high price, now your time has come. Blackview, a technology brand specializing in smart devices, has just launched its first flip smartphone, the Blackview HERO 10, positioned as the world's cheapest flip phone that will make flip phones more accessible. With the 180 megapixel camera and the Android Dynamic Island Dynamic Live View is exceeded expectation in its price category to empower a new foldable dual-screen lifestyle like no other. The Blackview HERO 10 has a high-resolution 6.9-inch AMOLED main screen. It's crowded with the TOV blue light certifications that ensures users a comfortable viewing experience, and is equipped with a split view to allow users to juggle multiple tasks. In addition, its main screen is durable after 250,000 folds, providing a lifespan of around 15 years. The HERO 10 features a Samsung 108 megapixel main camera and the 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera on the back and the 32 megapixel selfie camera, all enhanced with the latest ArcSoft 9.0 algorithms. Designed with attention to detail, it's crafted with the vegan leather back cover and aerospace-grade aluminum alloy bezels, making every turn a pleasure. Its compact body fits perfectly in the palm of your hand, pocket and delicate purses. Of course, it's powered by the powerful 6nm MediaTek Helio G99 high-end 4G chipset with the excellent performance paired with up to 36GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The world premiere of the Blackview HERO 10 starts from tomorrow and will be available at an extra affordable price. Explore the official links below this video to make your purchase and secure your new flip phone HERO 10 today while supplies last. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video review. Bye.